today it is 50 degrees out. In much of Ohio there was snow. I don't think it snowed where we live, but it's still very not as nice as it was the last few days. So it's cold, it's warmer in the sun, but it's still pretty cold here. We're going down to the nature trail to get our walk in. I'm what?
You're addicted to video blogging.
How do you figure?
Because you're doing it now. Again.
And you have a point.
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
I just want to ride my bike, dude.
Okay, dude.
Let's just get out so I can ride my bike, dude.
Okay, dude. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, dude.
Here we are at the Richard A. Nash Trail to Success. Are you videoing me bouncing the basketball?
Yep. Yep, I am.
You're weird. You mess up my rhythm. I get nervous. It's good exercise. Walk, bounce the basketball. Then, woo! After I'm done walking, woo! I beat Sean at shooting hoops. Because I'm awesome. Are you doing video?
Maybe! There is.
Oh my God!
Mommy and Daddy swing fun.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, we're back home. We were at the walk trail for about an hour and 15 minutes. I mostly walked. I did some of the machines and we played a little bit of basketball, just shot some hoops, not actually like one-on-one or anything. But I burned 904 calories in just a little over an hour, so that's pretty awesome. I'm going to go make dinner. I think tonight we're going to have some tilapia and some rice and veggies. So I hope you're all having a really good Saturday. I hope you got your burn in, and I hope you drink some water. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.